Here is the golf cart over at my buddy's house, and finally got the wheel spacers for it. So I got the wheels on this side. I got everything on. Still have to do a couple odds and ends stuff. The steering, and then bushings need to go in here. But here's kind of the idea of how it's gonna sit. It's gonna sit out pretty good. Probably gonna still put a like a flap here, more like a mud flap kind of thing. So that's that, and then this side over here is kind of the same way. And then here's the front end. You can kind of see how this is an LED right here. It's a 11.5 inch, I believe, wide, or 10-inch LED bar. We did move the steering over, and also my buddy moved the pedal assembly over, so it's directly underneath this steering wheel. So that's all good. He did put a coat of paint on here. It was starting to rust. I still got to do some body work and stuff like that. We're gonna mess around with that, but this scoop right here is functional. The plan is to have this kind of roll down into like a center console area, and then basically we're going to keep it duct, and then it's going to go for the cooling of the motor, and then also for the intake to get nice cool air. And then somewhere in here I'm going to do a small tack, and we're probably going to do some sort of dash in the front here. It's probably going to go from here and then kind of go over to this area across here, and then kind of go back, and then from here up there's going to be a roll bar covering. It's going to have 2 seats here, a seat here and a seat here, and then it's going to have a bench seat in the back. So, but here's how it currently sits. It's looking really good. Really happy with it. So this is how it currently is sitting.
I need one of these. So we're taking orders.
Yep. That looks so fucking good.
I like that smell.
Yeah, I love it. That's like perfect.
Fancy enough or anything yet. But here's what I'm thinking. We're making it affordable. We're thinking about taking and putting stem out for like something here, like a gusset.
Yep.
And then welding, those mounts that I made, like this here, and then running it over with the hind.
Oh, okay.
It can't go, because it has a little bit of play left to right, but we can shim these things.
Yeah.
But if we want to make it a 4-link, then it can't
Yep.
left to right,
Yep.
but it'll still have all the travel up in there. You know what I mean?
I like that. Yep.
But it's solid. It's got cross tube there, cross tube there.
Yep.
I like that one, buddy.
It looks fucking nice.
Robot.
Yep. It looks really nice. Oh, and you put this in too.
Yeah, that's what helped me to straighten it out, because when you look down at the front, you won't be able to tell when everything, like, it's together now. But now it looks.
Yeah, you can
still
actually
off a little,
see that it's
but
straight
it's
though.
like it was really bad. It was almost
it?
3/4 of an inch.
Holy shit.
So I cut a piece and then pushed it out.
Yep.
So
That looks fucking sick. Yep.